Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, trip computer, trip odometer, power brakes, child safety locks, electronic brake force distribution, rear floor mats, audio radio, touchscreen display. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.